Shout out to Forever Sharp steering wheel. Shout out to you. 78 through 87. It's 3 screws in the back of the steering wheel. I think that's a 7mm. You pop them out. Then I'm gonna cut you back on to the part, not part two, the next clip. You get a flathead screwdriver, pop that out, and find a nut to fit that, and get your impact gun or what's the name, and you take that bolt off. You come to your steering wheel pull the slide harmonic gun. I bought this on AutoZone for $20-something. Get that, line the 3 bolts up the whole woo you that go in the middle. Tighten that bit down till it pop. Bam. Man, I think I fucked that horn button shit up. Like the wiring on the inside. But hey, if I did, I'm trying to unhook that shit. And fuck, I ain't worrying about no damn horn. Just ride that motherfucker. Alright, man. A couple days later when I finally did it, but I put everything back together around about 8 o'clock at night. Alright, what we're gonna have to do is gonna be a little aluminum looking piece. After you take the whole steering wheel off, you put the aluminum little piece on, push that all the way back on top of the shaft, and you come back and put this right here, the bottom plate over it just like that. Then you come back with this middle plate right here. It's gonna be 3 bolts on the inside. I forgot what side it is. You tighten down, and then you put the nut and the little clip washer or whatever it is on the shaft that's in the middle of the steering wheel to hold all that together. So when you do that, you come back to the little hole in the middle that you put a wire on for the ground of the horn button. And it's another wire that you use for the factory horn button to go to the steering wheel. And you put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts on, hold the steering wheel and the horn button together. And then that's it. All right, man. Tell me what y'all think. All right, subscribe. I ain't coming. I feel that's the truth. Like, it really did made for racing. Check this out. Look at bullshit. Look at your ass. Look at any other car air filter, bro. Ain't not made like that. Matter of fact, I got one somewhere on the ground. I'll show you right quick. This motherfucker. It's real deal steel. Aluminum, where the fuck it is. Look at this shit. Made for racing. Hose power.